Hey guys, Beth here. So it's been a while and sorry about my crazy hair. I have like a spray in it and it's just kind of wild on one side. But anyway, I am here to do my finale for the 50 Shades of Green Project Pan. This is the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group collaboration created by Amanda, Cece, and Jessica. And yeah, so I thought I'm late, so I should come on here and give you an update. And I'm sorry about the not doing an update every month. It's just a lot of products and I'm getting through them very, very slowly. So I'm going to go through in order the ones that I still have left. There are a couple of empties I have in front of me, but not a whole lot. I don't know why this year is just to me. I feel like it's going fast, and I think it's just because I've been really busy. But let's get into it. So I'm gonna start out with the makeup, and then I'll go into like the skincare, hair care stuff that was green. And I'll have everybody that did this project linked down below. Our new color's already out. It's like yellow or gold, and that will be my next one. So I'll post that hopefully soon. But I just want to close this one out before I film that one. So the first item is this ColourPop Super Shock Chic in Magic Moon. I've been using it a lot. I just forget to mark it, and I just don't have time in the mornings. So here is Magic Moon. It's the Tinkerbell collection, and I hit pan on it. I have it on my cheeks today. Can't really tell because I set my makeup with a powder that's pretty thick coverage, so I hit pan. I'm excited that I hit pan. In the beginning I didn't write a goal down. No, I did. It was to hit pan. Originally it was the Super Cheek in Darling, and then I misplaced it, so then I put in Magic Moon. But yeah, I used it a lot and I hit pan. It kind of like pulled apart from like rubbing it, and then eventually I just considered it pan because you know there's a big pan there. So I'm happy about that. It's a beautiful color. I might roll it into another project to just, you know, get more pan on it and continue using it. I don't know, it might take me a really long time to use that up though. The next item is Exotic Peacock by Pinky Rose, this palette here. Now the shade I was trying to use 10 times was Provocative, and I only used it one time this whole project, this whole year. It's this green here. It's a really bright green. All the colors in this are really bright. I'm just gonna retire this palette for now, and not roll it into any projects until I get the urge for colorful looks again. Lately I've been going pretty I don't know, work appropriate, I guess. And then the next item is Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. This was dried out early last year in the project, so I added saline solution to it, and it's still going. I'm not going to use it anymore though. I feel like it's just like coming off right here on this end of the wand. The very bottom of the tube must have like some mascara in it, but it's so old, and I've been getting like allergy eyes. This eye's been getting swollen, and I've been rubbing a lot, and I'm gonna start using a fresh tube. Hopefully that helps my allergies a little bit, but I doubt it. I'm just gonna retire it, but it was a great mascara. I liked it. I don't know if I would purchase it again, maybe if it's on sale. The next was the ColourPop Super Shock Straight On Till Morning, and my goal was to hit pan. I used this one quite a bit. Oh, this one's Darling. Okay, so hold on. So Straight On Till Morning. Let me look for that one. Straight On Till Morning is right here. Oh, it's what I have on my eyes today. I love this color. The Super Shock is so, so pretty. I was using it quite a bit like a week or two ago, and then I wore it to work, and one of my students made a comment about it was like JoJo somebody, you know, the little YouTuber girl, and I was so embarrassed. So I stopped wearing it to work, but I wear it on the weekends. And let's see, where did I get on that? Actually, I didn't use that one a lot. I was looking at the tally marks for the mascara, but this one I used 6 times with today. My goal is to hit pan on it. There's no way it was 6 uses to hit pan on that, but you can see the movement. I have been using it. Eventually, I might roll it into another project soon and try to hit pan again. The next one is the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette. I only used it 3 times, and my goal was to use it 5 times and get no pan left behind. Okay, I had to clear up some stuff, so you're gonna see palettes and stuff back there because I could not find this. It was under a big pile of palettes. It's been a while since I guess I updated this. But for the e.l.f., what is it called? 18 Hit Wonders. I was trying to do 5 uses in Element. Oh, I think I said that already. In Element, which is, where's Element? Oh, it's like this dark green color. It's like a mossy green. It's so, so pretty, you guys. Look at that. It's one of those, just those colors that everybody loves. I don't know, it doesn't swatch good, but it's very pretty. But I didn't meet my goal on this one either. I think I bit off more than I could chew on a lot of these products. And I was so excited though to, I'm always excited about these 50 Shades projects. Here is my next item. It's the e.l.f. Mermaid Shimmy. It's a beautiful liquid eyeshadow. And let me swatch it for you guys. I did not hit goal on this either. I should have used it a lot more. My goal is to use it 5 times. I haven't marked this once. I know I used it a couple more times than once, but maybe 2 times or 3 times. I know I didn't hit the 5 times though. The next item is my Lipisil. It's a lip balm. Now, I bought this because of Jessica Lee. I've heard her talk about it a few times, this brand. So I was like, ooh, Lipisil. I saw it at Dollar Tree, so I picked it up. And I thought I'd try it out. This one is in, it's a yummy stick in sweet mint, I think. Yeah, sweet mint and basil. I have a ton left over. I have it like on my dresser by, it's like in a candle holder. I started putting like some of my lip stuff. Sorry, I'm shaking a lot. But there we go. So I made a little bit of progress since the last update. I still have a ton left. I'm not good at using up lip balms. Like sleep masks I am. And I could, the Buxom, like the little minis are easy for me to use up. But everything else just like takes forever. I'm gonna use it right now because my lips are dry. So there's that. I didn't finish it. Next up, and I'm looking at the wrong page, is my Nomad Stockholm single eyeshadow in Norskin number 2. My goal is to use it 10 times. I used it 5 times. So again, with the eyeshadows, I think I was just really hyper focused on my palette, which always happens. And I feel like it's a bad thing because I'm neglecting like all my beautiful eyeshadows I buy all year. There's a swatch of that. So I want to say I'm on a no buy, but I hate saying that because then I go crazy buying. So I'm just going to say I'm doing my best to not buy any eyeshadows anymore, or this year. I don't know, you guys. I have like eyeshadows in my cart as we speak though. The next item is a ColourPop Tinkerbell Fly to Your Heart. My goal is to use it 10 times. I used it 0 times. Like I marked it once thinking it was a different eyeshadow and it wasn't. And I never used it. It's this one here. It looks like I used it. Maybe I forgot to mark it, but it's this beautiful like champagne-y color. I love these. Beautiful for like inner corner highlight or just like a no makeup look. But it is very shimmery and it's getting kind of dry, so I'm gonna make sure I tighten that good. Oops, dropped some stuff. The next item is the L'Oreal gloss. I used it maybe 2 times. Eventually this is gonna just go bad. I'm gonna have to declutter it. It still smells good. I think, I don't know. I'm just gonna hold on to it. We'll see eventually. Maybe I'll get to it. It's a lot of gloss. And then I have my ColourPop Villains Super Shock Highlighter in Maleficent. My goal is to use it 20 times. I used it, I have 9 times on here, but I'm pretty sure I used it at least 11 times maybe, and I just didn't mark it because you can see all that movement. I used it quite a bit, and I think I just forgot to mark it a lot of the time, but there it is, my Villains Maleficent. She's my favorite evil queen, so I had to get that highlighter. And then I have my Beauty Creations Base in Jade. I did put it on my eyelids today. It is very pigmented, but these are so nice because the P. Louise are like $10 and these are like $4.50 maybe, so it's like half the price of the P. Louise. And if it's just like a color base you're not going to use all the time, I mean, why not? It works. It's really good. When P. Louise came out with all those color bases, I wanted to get them, but it's just, it would break my bank and I can't. The next item is a nail polish. The only nail polish I had in here that I can remember, I think I did replace something with a nail polish, but I'm trying to see what item was it. And then I didn't hit goal on it, no matter, I mean, but anyways, this is my Madame Glam nail polish in basil. And I did not use it 1 time this whole year. I just have a big mess here, no space to pull out the little lamp you have to put your fingernails under for the gel nail polish. And honestly, they sent me this for NPR, and I got a bunch of other ones as well. They sent me like 2 different shipments, and they're kind of like hit or miss. Madame Glam, sometimes like the color just didn't look right, and this one in particular though did look good. It came out nice, but from what I remember, there were some shades that were like a brownish color they sent me, and they were kind of like patchy. You had to like coat a lot just to make the color look nice. So there's that. Now for like the skincare and stuff, I have the Farsali Skin Tune Blur Perfection Serum. Now I had 2 of them in this project. I had a little mini, and then I have a big size. The mini, I think I decluttered because it dried up. Okay, so I misplaced it. I can't find it anywhere. I just went to my bathroom and looked for it. I did a major cleaning of my bathroom area the other day, and I shoved stuff in drawers trying to like have less. And it must have been shoved somewhere, so I don't know where it's at. It's probably under my sink somewhere with all the stuff that got shoved under there. But I didn't finish it. I used it 5 times. That is what I have it marked as, and I still have a lot. It's just like a blurring primer, like what it says it is. I don't find it too comfortable on my skin, so I wouldn't purchase it again. The next item, we're at number 35, you guys, is this Pond's Cold Cream Makeup Remover. I like this. I enjoy it, but it takes me forever. So a whole year and I still have some left. It looks all gross, you guys. I have like 2 little pieces of hair in there. It's so disgusting. But yeah, I'll finish it. I'll finish it eventually. Maybe I'll put it in a project as well if I have to use it up. And then my Nature Well Coconut Oil Moisturizing Cream. Okay, here it is. My mom bought me this at Sam's Club quite a long time ago. I was here at the last update. I think I'm at the same spot. I've used it only a few times. I use the tiniest amount of this, like to take off makeup, or like if I mess up on my makeup, I'll get a Q-tip and I'll dip it in there and I'll just kind of like clean up. So there's still a lot in there. It's a huge tub. It's 16 ounces of coconut cream. So there's that. And then I did use up this next item. It's my InnBeauty Project. I'm so happy. I finally have an empty, you guys. I'm going to put this in my empties video. I enjoyed this. I liked it as a priming spray. So I spray my face with it before putting on my makeup, and it felt very moisturizing, but you can use it as a setting spray. It's a dual phase setting mist, it says, to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. It says filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. So I really enjoyed this. This is nice. I got it through BoxyCharm in one of my boxes. Then I have my Pixie items. Now I misplaced one of the cloths. Oh yeah, and this is where the nail polish came in. It's this China glaze. I don't know why I put it in. It was only one cloth out of 5 that so I used 4 of the 5 or something like that. No, there were 10. I used 9 of the 10, and then I used this one time. So I counted that. And I didn't count it as done because the China glaze, I was like, I'll use it 5 times. I only ended up using it 1 time. And then I have this Glow Tonic. I have used this a few times, so let me show you. It was here last time, and you can see it's gone down a bit. I just use a little bit on a round cotton, cotton facial thing, and I just kind of like tone my face. After washing it, I'll tone it, and sometimes when I go, before bed or in the mornings. And then the next one is my Pixie Glow Mud Cleanser. I didn't use it 1 time. It's still full, still brand new. And also the Glow Mud Mask, still new. I did hear Jen from Project Beauty say that she puts the mask like on her face before she gets in the shower, which I think is brilliant. But then I'm like, well, then I'll get it on my shirt when I take my shirt off to get in the shower. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to just put it like in the shower. I have another mask in the shower right now, and then I'll just put the mask on while I'm in the shower and then wash it off, I guess. But yeah, so I have those still in my collection. And let's see, and that is it, you guys. That is everything. I'll leave down the statistics for what I used up and what I still have left from both, and how much I use up in costs. Yeah, but that might be it. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. I was gonna say that's gonna be a minute, but it's like, how would you guys know? Because I'm editing, you're not gonna know anyway. So anyway, thank you so much for coming by, watching. I'm excited about the new color. I have 2 containers of stuff to show you in that video, but I gotta edit this one first before I could get the next one up. So hopefully I'll have it up for you guys soon, and I hope you guys are having a blessed day, night, weekend, wherever you are, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.